Alright, today we're looking at a 2014 Ford Fusion SE. It's got 34,000 miles on it. Alright, it's a Carfax one owner. It's a clean Carfax. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle here. We'll start on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim here around the windows. Got your turn signals in the side mirrors. Alright, as we make our way down the driver's side, everything's in really good shape. Does have the alloy wheels. Alright, it is the SE. It's got the EcoBoost. Alright, everything across the rear of the vehicle is in good shape. Make our way down the passenger side here. Okay, you got your turn signals in the passenger mirror as well. Alright, once again, it's 2014 Ford Fusion SE, 34,000 miles. Okay, just want to point this out to you here. Just a small little wrinkle right there in the paint, but as you can see, it's been painted over right above the headlight here. Okay, just want to point that out to you. But once again, clean Carfax, one owner, 34,000 miles, things in great shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. I got the black on black door panels, nice trim piece here, power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Let me go ahead and take this key out right quick. Alright, it does have the black cloth seating. Driver's seat's in great shape. Got the power driver's seat. Does come with the keyless entry key fob. Okay. Passenger seat cloth's in good shape as well. Alright, you got your cup holders here. It is an automatic. Alright, it's got your Microsoft Sync system. Climate controls, CD player, AM, FM. Alright. Got your steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Alright, on this side. And then got your cruise control here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 34,083 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you the radio display. Okay, and then once again your climate controls here. Go ahead and turn it off. We'll step out. We'll take a look at the back seat. Door panels back here look good. Same metallic trim piece here. Alright, carpet down here is in good shape, no staining. Alright, back seat cloth looks good. Interior of this Fusion's been well taken care of. Got the center armrest comes down with the cup holders there. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright, let's take a look at your trunk space. Carpet back here is good. Got your spare tire under there. But I'll step to the side. You can see how much depth there and see how much room you've got. A ton of room in these Fusions. Alright, let's take a look at the wheels and tires. Let's see, we've got 17-inch alloys. Alright, alloys are in great shape. Brand new set of tires. Alright, you can still see the mark on them there. Plenty of tread. Alright, once again, it's a 2014 Ford Fusion SE, 34,000 miles. Alright, it's in great shape. Just a small little wrinkle right here in the paint, just right above the headlight. Other than that, it's in fantastic shape. Alright, clean Carfax, one owner, 34,000 miles. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.